Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10. There are currently no power options available. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click Explorer. Open no close change value data to 0. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Type power CFG space, minus restore default schemes. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.